Hey guys, we're back. In today's video, we're going to be installing this Skuttle. Off camera, I've painted it. This is going to be the body color. It looks good, I love it. I ain't gonna lie to you, when I first started painting it, I was like, I don't know if I like it or not, but once it dried, it turned out great. This is rattle can too, so I did a pretty decent job on it with the rattle can, I think. If the whole car turns out like that, I'll be pretty happy. But I did those two. That's where your closing panels are gonna go, both sides. But next thing on the list is getting all the holes drilled for this thing, and then going from there. I'll bring you back. Hey guys, we're back out in the garage. It's been a couple days. I've been messing with this thing, trying to get it all evened up in here and stuff, and I think I got it pretty good. All my measurements are right. Windshield goes in, so that's nice. It actually falls in, so it's not going to hit anything if the rubber goes in. But yeah, it's coming along. I mean, I know where the flaws are, but if somebody that's... Luckily, I'm in America and nobody knows what minis are, so they don't know if the lines are all goofy or not. But if you look, the lines look pretty good. I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to actually do these yet, because I screwed up and painted the back end of this. So I think what I might end up doing is just drilling holes in that and then trying to plug weld it. We'll never know. But yeah, it's going to be fun. But the next thing to do is I've got all the holes cut out for here. And we're going to go ahead and start tacking this thing in. It's going to take a bazillion years to get it all tacked in, but we'll get it. The one thing I do not like is this doesn't line up, but if I seem to remember right, when I took this thing off, it never did. So it never lined up correctly. So, but anyway, let's start welding some stuff in, and I'll bring you back when I find something interesting. Okay guys, it's in there. It ain't going anywhere. All down through here, I gotta clean up all the welds and whatnot. I didn't do the bottom two welds only because I didn't want to mess with it until I get the A panels in to make sure. Look at that old sloppy weld right there. I'll clean it up. You won't ever even know. But yeah, they're all plugged in. Didn't do too awful bad. Only took me about a half hour to do. But let's do some cleaning. Hey guys, it's in. Everything's all grinded down. These turned out exceptionally well. I'm actually quite pleased with these. Now granted, you know, it's gonna have to have a little bit of body filler because you'll see that line, but I might have to do a little bit more grinding on that one because I feel a lip, but yeah, but they turned out real well. The profile's good. Profile's good, everything's in there good. Look at that. This one turned out real well. I'm getting better at welding. I say I'm about partial professional now. But yeah, it turned out lovely. Next thing on the list is going to be the A panels. I think this is it for this video. And that's gonna be fun. The A pedals. But yeah, man, it's getting there. Y'all have a good one.